How to change iPhone name in device info. So first of all, you're going to want to go to the settings menu. So on the home screen of your iPhone, click on the settings cog. Now, once you're in here, you want to look towards the middle bottom part of the screen where it says General. Go ahead and click on General. Then here you want to click on About at the top of the page. Then you'll see Name at the top there in the About section. Right now, it might say My iPhone or your name iPhone. You can go ahead and change that to whatever you want. So for this example, you can put in your iPhone. You can also anonymize your name. So if you don't want people seeing it when it pops up on Bluetooth devices, etc., you can go ahead and just type in anything you want there. You can just say like a random numbers or something so they can't see your name. You can change that in there, and you can go in and change that again whenever you want to in the name section there. So leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.